Hello everyone, welcome back to the TidyTight How-To series. Today, we are going to show you how to properly use our newest model, TidyTight Utility. Just like our original product, TidyTight Garage, TidyTight Utility is a solution for storing extension cords, hoses, and Christmas lights. TidyTight Utility is a single loop version and includes a clip for hanging or securing the strap. The clip allows this product to be portable and securely stored anywhere the clip can be attached. TidyTight Utility is 1.5 inches wide and is available in various loop sizes. To use TidyTight Utility, unclip the plastic buckle by pressing inward on both sides of the buckle simultaneously. The male side of the buckle will release from the female side of the buckle. Next, feed the male clip end of the securing loop through the wound-up cord. Bring the male clip back to the female clip and press them together until they snap closed. Finish the loading process by tightening the securing loop around your cord by pulling the sewn tab next to the male clip until tight. Lastly, if ready to store a TidyTight Utility, hang it wherever a clip can be attached.